Chapter 4, Introduction to GIMP. So today we'll learn about GIMP, the editing software, and this image. This is Bilber. Bilber is the official mascot of GIMP. And we know the full form of GIMP, that is GNU Image Manipulation Program. Image manipulation or image editing is done using various softwares by applying changes to the images. So manipulation of an image is changing the appearance of the image, or by the term image editing can consist of like resizing of the image, adjusting brightness, contrast, adding colors and filters to the image. And images shown on a screen are called bitmap. You can call the images are displayed on a computer screen or any digital device as a bitmap. And these bitmap are collection of small squares called pixel. The pixel is the smallest portion of an image, or you can say a single point, and pixel is a rectangular arrangement of a small square and it is arranged in rows. What is GIMP? So the full form of GIMP is GNU Image Manipulation Program, and GIMP is a free open source image editing software. It is a program which allows user to edit images. By the term editing images, you can edit like photo retouch, or you can resize your image, you can crop, change the format also. Images can be saved in different formats. The most common formats are BMP for bitmap, JPEG for joint photographic expert group, or GIF is there. GIF is graphic interchange format. PNG format is also that portable network graphics. So these are some examples of image format: BMP, JPEG, GIF, PNG. So GIMP was developed by Peter Mattis and Spencer Kimball on 1996. The first version was GIMP 0.54 and GIMP 1.0, released in 1998, and the latest version of GIMP is 2.8 and released in 2012. So how to start GIMP? To start GIMP, just go to the start menu and then click on all programs. There you will find GIMP folder and click on that folder to open GIMP. GIMP start in multi-window mode. Whenever you open the GIMP for the first time, you will see there is multi-window mode will appear. And in multi-window mode, you will find there are three windows, left and right toolbars in each side respectively, and the image window at the center. We can change this to a single window mode with all the components in a single window, and you can merge these three windows into one, that is single window mode. And for that you need to change the window mode. Just go to the window menu and then select single window mode. You can see this is image. In this image, that GIMP start with multi window mode. It consists of three windows. Left toolbar window is there, right toolbar window is there, and at the center you will find there is image window.